Hi, welcome to today's one-take bike review of the Dawes Discovery 301. These are hybrid bikes. This one is from early 2010, I think. But if you know different, let me know in the comments. Okay, what do you get? So you get an alloy frame set, you get alloy forks. The frame set is TIG welded, and you get mounts for racks and mud guards. You get a replaceable gear hanger, and the same on the front. You get mud guard mounts. You also get pannier mounts for the front. So the frame set, it's really good frame set. Cable routing has been sensibly thought out, with it going along the top of the top tube. Less likely to get water splashed up there. You could argue that you get just as much trouble if it's raining. However, most people don't ride in the rain. Okay, components, what do you get? So you get trigger shifters, you get V-brakes, you get Acera 8-speed shifters, so that gives you 24 gears, alloy handlebar, alloy stem, Shimano V-brakes, alloy wheels, the tyres. I'm not sure who makes the tyres. Let me just have a look really quickly. I think they're just nylon made. You get a Nexavi chain set, Acera mechs, and like I say, and this one you get bottle cage. Usually they came with a Dawes specific saddle, sort of a branded saddle from Dawes. Okay, the build. Dawes are made really well. So this bike, I think when it was new, was there was four. There was the Discovery 201, Discovery 301, the Discovery 401, and the Discovery 501. This one, I think recommended retail price was $399 when it came out new. I could be wrong. Might be sort of, well, in between sort of $330 and $380, I guess, price wise. The build is really good. The welds are tidy. Down here is normally where you can tell how well a bike has been built. That's clean and tidy. Same on the other side. This has been nicely welded. So the build is good. The look. So this probably looks a little bit dated now, but I don't think you should let that put you off, because if you can find one of these, and I've seen them on eBay for 30 quid, these are an absolute steal. Obviously you need to check the usual things, but look wise, these are good bikes. Very good looking bike, very understated. Yeah, I like it. I mean, it's not going to stand out like a shiny carbon fibre super bike, but for what it's designed to do, the mudguards sort of blend in. It's very understated, I would say. Value for money at the time. Yeah, I think they were good value for money for an aluminium frame, aluminium forks, alloy wheels, and all the bits that come with it. But I've seen these go for next to no money on eBay and on Facebook marketplaces and various other markets. You can get a bargain. Would I buy one? Definitely. Wouldn't have to think twice. These are so reliable. They're straight, they're easy to work on, which is nice. So yeah, so I think these are great, really good bikes. So I hope this has helped you. If you know any more about the Dawes Discovery 301, we'd love to hear it in the comments. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Hope you're enjoying these reviews. Don't forget to check out our other reviews. And we'll see you in the next one.